Welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to pin a chat on Telegram. Pinning chats helps keep your most important conversations easily accessible, making them appear at the top of your chat list. Whether it's a work group, a family chat, or a personal conversation, pinning ensures it's always right at the top. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Telegram app on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're in the app, find the chat or group that you want to pin. Long press on the desired chat or group to select it. Step 3. After pressing and holding the chat, a menu will appear at the top. Click on the pin icon at the top of your screen. And that's it. Your chat will now be pinned, and it will appear at the top of your screen, making it easier to access anytime you need it. Pinning a chat on Telegram is a great way to keep your most important conversations organized, especially if you're in a lot of different groups or have multiple chats happening at once. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Telegram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.